Hey, what's up guys? This is Tommy with Sensei Quest, and this is my GrooveBlog review and why you no longer need WordPress in 2021. Yes, you heard that right. GrooveBlog has finally officially launched. It was a long-awaited debut. People have been waiting for it for quite a while now because last year GrooveFunnels launched their website builder, their funnel builder. They launched GrooveMail. They launched GrooveMember, their GrooveCell. The Groove Cart. They launched a bunch of different applications, but they did not release the blog functionality yet, but they recently did, and I'm going to give you a quick overview of that. And if you're new to this channel and you don't have a GrooveFunnels account, you can sign up for a free account right now. If you go to senseiquest.com/groove, I'm going to leave a link down below this video so you can check that out. But once you're logged into the dashboard here, on the left hand side, you want to go to apps. Then you're going to go down to the very bottom here where it says GrooveBlog. Then once you do, you click on that, it's going to open up the GrooveBlog dashboard here. So what you could do is go to the upper right hand corner. It's going to say new blog. Then you just go ahead and give your blog a name, whatever you want. And it's going to also ask you for the subdomain here as well. Let's go demo. So see, the subdomain is the area that goes in front of, because it's all going to be hosted on grooveblog.com. You can use your own URL, but if you don't want to, you can just put it on a subdomain. And so this one is unavailable. So we're just going to, let's see if Sensei Quest is available. Okay, so senseiquest.grooveblog.com was available. So now, check this out. Over on the left hand side, we have all of the menus here. So this is just like a demo version, so you can see sort of the layout and what's available to you. This groovy thing right here, this is a logo. So whenever you go down to the settings here, go to logo settings, you're able to upload your own image. And as you can see, that's where they're getting that groovy logo. So all you have to do is choose image, and then you're able to select any image. You can upload an image from your computer or select any of the images that you already have on your GrooveFunnels account. All right, I'm going to select the Sensei Quest logo here. Hit save. So now if we go back to home, it should have updated it. Yep. And so I'm just trying to do this real quick for the demo purposes. This obviously is not to the right size, and I believe they say that here, the logo setting. Yeah, they want it to be 500 by 500 pixels. So just make sure that your logo fits those dimensions. So let's see. So here you can see there's on this row right here where it says latest productivity tips and tricks, these are all different categories that you can have. So whenever you go over here to the left, you can go to categories, and so you can see these category names. What you can do is, if you go over the right hand side, hit this little drop down arrow next to actions, you can either delete it or you can edit it. You can edit it and call it whatever name you want it to be. Slug means this part here behind this /. So for this example, the subdomain I picked was senseiquest.grooveblog.com, and then it would go /category would be how you get to, or in this example actually be latest. So it would be it would look like let's just type it out here. So it would be senseiquest.grooveblog.com/latest, and then anytime I put a post on this page that is under the latest category, it would go right here. So if I call it, if I did a post called marketing, it would be latest marketing. So I just wanted to, this is what the URL would look like. I just want to point that out. So that's essentially what slug is right here. But description is, you could put anything here, maximum 500 characters, but that was just to point out what slug is and how this will look. and you can have the option of showing it in the navigation or not. So if we go back to home, if you don't show it in navigation, it won't pop up here, but it would categorize these blogs down here. So if we take a look, you can see like how it has this hyperlink. It says productivity here. That's so if you hit it from the navigation, it could still show there. So that's totally up to you how you want to do it. There's a couple different themes here. So right now I'm on the GrooveBlog Classic. There's 3 other themes that you have the ability to select. These are all free themes, so anybody can use these. And this just came out, so that's why there's only 4 themes. But Groove did say that they're going to be rolling out with future themes in the upcoming weeks and months, but not as often as they do with the funnel building. With Groove Pages, they have a lot more themes available there, but they will update this as well. You can update the navigation. So the top navigation says software solutions about us. So let's go back and take a look at where that is pulling in. So that's this row right here. So you can update this navigation. These could be links out to different, it could be links out to your actual website. It could be external links. Then you have this call to action button here. You're allowed one of these buttons on the Groove page, or excuse me, the Groove blog. So get started for free. So let's go back here to take a look at that. So I just want to point out, where all these things are pulling from. So software solutions, about us, the get started for free. You can turn that on or off. See, that one just went away. Now I can turn it back on. So if you wanted to edit the text here, you can by selecting the 3 dots here, then selecting edit. You could rename that to whatever you want. There's also a footer navigation, so community privacy policy reviews. Let's take a look at where that is. So let me close this navigation here for a second. That would be at the bottom here once we publish the site and we're previewing it. But yeah, these are all external links. As you can see up here, there's the links category, the links header here. Then categories is another option. So we looked at that earlier actually in this category section. Not sure why they have it in both places. But if we go to settings, there's other settings here to help out with your SEO, or search engine optimization. This is going to be how it's going to look when it comes up in Google. When people are searching for particular keywords, and your blog potentially could come up. Domain settings, Sensei Quest is our subdomain here. Logo setting. We got social links here, so you can link out to all of your social media websites. This is pretty cool how you can pull in comments. So you can pull in, you can connect it to Facebook. So if people are commenting on your Facebook page, you can have that as well. Form setting. So if people want to sign up for a newsletter, you can have this right now is only integrated with Groove Mail, their internal email autoresponder, but you can have people sign up for your newsletter, get added to your list. So it's pretty straightforward. GrooveBlog, a lot more straightforward than Groove Pages. But if you want to create a post, you just go down to this post section here. They have posts already here as an example. So you can go up in the upper right hand corner, hit new post, or you can go to open editor here, and it's pretty straightforward. You just type in there's a title here, and then here's a paragraph. So once there's this plus icon that comes up as well, so you could insert an image or insert a video. When you highlight the text here, you can also edit it and format it to be bold, italicized, underline, have a strike through. You could have a particular link. You could have one of the words be a link. You could put a numbered list, a bullet list, change the font, headings, to be larger. These are SEO tags. And then you can change the color of the font, change the alignment of the font. So it's all pretty straightforward here. There's some settings here as well. So you can have a featured image for your blog post, post slug. So this is everything that's going to be after that backslash. so you can see, kind of get an idea of what that URL would look like. You can change the publishing date, associate particular categories to your post, add keywords, so it helps out with, keyword tags for SEO purposes. You have the metadata as well. If you have custom code, you can enter that to, a little more advanced feature. But I think that's pretty much it for this. Is just a quick overview of GrooveBlog and what exactly it entails, because I know a lot of people are excited about that. We're really waiting for this to come out, and so far I'm really liking this, and it's pretty straightforward, easy to use. So let me know if you have any questions down below in the comments. Let me know about other tutorials you want. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, because like I said, we do tutorials on Groove pages, all things Groove, also just affiliate marketing tips and tricks in general, so you don't want to miss out on any of that upcoming content. Thanks again for watching my GrooveBlog review, and have a great day.